What's up, everyone? All right, so exciting news. You guys at Goodwin Racing hooked me up with a spoiler. Me and this beautiful man right here are going to be installing the Goodwin Racing Plexi NASCAR style spoiler, I guess. Drag spoiler. I don't know. It's adjustable like 45 degrees, and I think it keeps me within the limit, so I don't have to add weight to this fat bitch. So yeah, we're gonna do that today.
All right.
So what Danny's doing here is there's these angle support brackets here, right there, and they're gonna go like here somewhere. So Goodwin has a very specific measuring device, so it's like 7/8 from the top and 3/8 from the side, and then we drill holes there to get them to mount down. Hopefully we don't mess this up, because you know, math. It sucks because that's like the bit I use all the time, so it's all like dull. Alright, well, they're the 1/4 inch holes I asked for. I like how we just measured once and we're just sending it.
Yeah, so much for measuring 1,000 times, drilling once, but we'll see what happens.
Perfect, there's 2 holes. Per request of Goodwin Racing. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Danny doing the modeling poses for this beautiful spoiler. Next we have to, there's a fancy thing we have to do with the straight edge, and then we have to like clamp it to both sides upright. I don't know, I have to read the instructions again and then make sure they're right so we can drill these holes on both sides. And then once that's done, we got to do these, I guess. Yeah, to bolt these. So that's going to be fun.
So we ran into kind of an issue. We do have a little bit of blocking for one of the bolts here. It's going to be this one, the inside one right here on the back of it. We need to kind of cut some holes so we'll be able to essentially just bolt it down. So George is going to take care of that here very soon. And there we have our hole. So on this side, this would be the, let me find it. This would be the bolt right here that we were trying to get to, couldn't get to it. So he'll do he'll do the other side just the same, and we'll keep going.
It's looking pretty race car. I wish it was black, but you know what? I'm kind of digging the see-through thing for whenever it's gonna be see-through. Whenever you know what I meant.
Yeah.
It'll fade. So now we're gonna do the adjusters there, and I got these in my hand. These are the base plates, and we marked. So they want you to find center. So we found center, and then it was 13.5 for the NAs from that point to here, and then 13.5 from that point to there. So now we're gonna drill 1/4 inch holes for these, get all that, and see, this is gonna be a little bit of pain because I have a feeling we're gonna have to run a socket through there, but you know, it is what it is. And yeah, we'll go for that. But it's almost done. That's literally all we have left, and then we're gonna have spoiler things. Brain cannot compute.
You want to try to go at it at an angle, so like kind of cut these like little slivers off.
See how?
Yeah.
You know what? Use the little tiny one we got.
So what we're doing right here, since we already found the spot where we're gonna have to bolt this back one, this back hole down in, we're just gonna go ahead and cut out the hole for it, so we don't have to do it later. We're pretty much just trying to get everything prepared right now, so we could just put all of the supports on. Just get it in one go. So all we have to do after this point is slap it all on there, make our adjustments, get it to where we want it to be, and it'll look pretty good from there.
Just a little relief. There we go. Perfect.
Cool. So instead of having to cut it out, we'll just hammer
fold
it
it
in.
out of the way.
Yeah, fold it out of the
there's
way.
plenty of
And
room now.
we'll be able
Awesome.
to get our lock nut on there and continue with doing what we're doing.
You guys ready for this? This is more exciting things. Okay, I'm gonna start from the front and then I'm just gonna pan my way back. You ready? Look at it. You know, I've always wanted a spoiler and a pretty big one, but I'll settle for the small Wang Gang. Look at it. It's got cool race car parts on it. So excited! Oh, that looks so sweet. So I'm not gonna lie, it's a little nerve-wracking and takes a little bit to get adjusted, but Blackbirdfabworx, along with Goodwin Racing, have a really good detailed instructions for the NA and MBs. And I mean, if you follow it to the T, it's gonna come out perfect. Like I can't tell you how, although I was scared to do it, I can't tell you how easy it was with the instructions. I mean, between me and him, and he's not that experienced when it comes to certain things. This is probably the most complex thing he's done in any type of vehicle.
Yeah.
And he was able to do it easy as shit. So
the biggest thing that we found when going through this process is that, like, as we were mounting the wing before we got our support brackets on here, we found out there was a weird flex in the wing, and we kind of were just really worried about it, trying to fix the issue as we were going along. But we soon found out that if you just get everything mounted up, if you get everything, thanks asshole,
rude.
If you get everything mounted up, if you get everything kind of snug, tight to where, you know, you can move, make those adjustments you need to make, you'll be able to get it to where, I mean, we put the wing on, and it probably 2-3 minutes after the wing was completely on, we got it to where it sits right now, as it's supposed to sit. And this is gonna get us all the down, or get George all the downforce. He's gonna be the one driving it, but
Don't let him fool you. He does help me out a lot. He's going to be with us because he's going to be time attacking the birds.
yeah, I can't wait for it. It's gonna be
There's gonna be more coming on this because this is his new baby,
so much.
and he's gone through a lot to get this, and I'm super excited for him. So once everything goes, we're gonna show you the Grid Life time attack build that he's gonna be doing this for a street mod. So stay tuned for that, man. There's a lot of stuff that we're gonna be doing here. It hasn't even started yet. Since we have a lot of downtime, and now that this man lives in Kansas City with me,
Yay!
a lot of things to come. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna end the video here. I was gonna wash the car, but I just painted it, so I gotta wait, I don't know, probably 2 more weeks before I can put any type of coating on it, because I want to make sure the paint is fully dried so I can ceramic coat it with Chemical Guys ceramic coating, because symmetrical coating. Ceramic coating. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. You know what? I'm gonna have the man of words do it. Here you go.
I appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch the video with us today. Hit the like and subscribe to see our further updates on the Miata, as well as the BRZ and the Mustang. Got a lot of work to do with that still, so we appreciate you guys tuning in, and have a great day.
Peace.